As you continue to work on reading and practicing your reading strategies, I wanted to take some time and go over the one we've been working on with together the most. Who's this guy? You remember him? He's Lips the fish, and he helps us get our lips ready to make our letter sounds. So we're going to be working on beginning letter sounds today. We're going to be listening for the first sound we hear in a word. I have some pictures here, and I was hoping you could help me figure out which letter comes first in my word. So I have some pictures here. Apple, pumpkin, leaf, corn, barn. Did you see my lips moving? Did you see my lips, the fish? Yeah, I hope that you're practicing using yours too. So we're going to take a look. I have some letters here, and we're going to see if my letters match the first sound that we hear in my words. This is my letter L. L goes oh. Apple, did you hear oh? Pumpkin, ooh. I didn't hear that sound either. Leaf, ooh. Yeah, so that's my first letter sound in my word leaf. Ms. McMahon seems to have lost her marker, but don't worry, I have more. L, E, A, F. So that's my whole word for leaf, but we're looking for the first sound that we hear today, and you found that. That was my letter L. Let's see which one starts with P. Apple, pumpkin. Did you hear the P? I heard the P. Pumpkin, P, P. So there are lots of letters in my word pumpkin, but we were looking and listening for my first sound, and you found it. Let's try some more. Letter C. K. Apple, corn. Did you hear my C? I heard it. C, O, R, N. K. Corn. Okay. I have two more pictures. Which one do you think starts with B? Apple, barn. I hope you're starting to pick up on that beginning sound in words at home. And my last one, apple. You're right. A, P, P, L, E. So there are lots of letters in words. Keep working hard on finding the beginning sound. That will help you with your writing, and that will help you with your reading. But good work today. Apple starts with A. Pumpkin starts with P. Leaf starts with L. Corn starts with C. And barn starts with B.